Imagine your company's most sensitive customer data exposed to the entire internet. It happened with Salesforce, and it wasn't a hack, it was a mistake. In this video, we're breaking down the Salesforce misconfiguration leak, why it matters, how it happened, and how you can stop it. First, let's talk about why CRM systems are so sensitive. They aren't just address books, they are the nerve center of modern business. We're talking about everything from customer contact details and purchase history to confidential support tickets and internal communications. To a cybercriminal, this isn't just data, it's a goldmine. It can be used for phishing, identity theft, or corporate espionage. So, how did this massive exposure occur? It wasn't a sophisticated zero-day exploit. It came down to a simple setting: guest user access. Salesforce allows guest users, people without a login, to access certain parts of a site, usually for public forums or communities. The problem arises when administrators accidentally grant these guest users permission to view records they shouldn't see. Historically, some default settings were more permissive than realized. Admins assumed guest meant landing page, not database read access. Security researchers discovered that thousands of Salesforce communities were configured to allow anyone to query the underlying objects. Attackers didn't need a password. They just needed to send a specific API request to the site, and it would politely hand over the data. The scale was massive. It affected government agencies, banks, and healthcare providers. It was a wake-up call for cloud security. Now, the most important part: how do we prevent this? The answer lies in rigorous, continuous auditing. You cannot set it and forget it. You need to regularly audit your Salesforce guest user profiles and object permissions. Follow the principle of least privilege. If a public user doesn't strictly need access to an object, revoke it immediately. Use automated tools. Salesforce has its own health check and optimizer tools that can flag these risky configurations for you. Also, implement data classification. Know which fields contain PII and ensure they have extra layers of restriction. Invest in training for your Salesforce admins. Understanding the implications of a checkbox is just as important as knowing how to build a workflow. Remember the shared responsibility model. Salesforce secures the cloud, but you are responsible for security in the cloud. Misconfigurations happen, but they don't have to be disasters. With awareness and audits, you can keep your data locked down. To recap, treat CRM data like gold. Double-check your guest access settings and audit your permissions regularly. Don't let a simple mistake compromise your business. Stay vigilant, stay secure. Thanks for watching. I'm your host, helping you navigate the digital landscape safely. See you in the next video.